Sujit, I'm just coming. Wait.
We are living in that era where if we can imagine something, we can do it because everything is possible in this world. I'm addicted to read novels like October Junction,
Yes.
Gunaho Ke Devta.
Yes.
And these stories give me another. I think hell are empty now because every devils are on the earth.
Hell is empty right now.
Because I also want to become like them, and I want to become an inspiration for everybody.
Yes.
That no matter what our circumstances are, we can be anything that we
People
want.
are just scrolling reels, shorts, and they are just wasting their time. They do not have time to talk with the people. They do not have time to talk with their guardians, with their parents, but they have time to scroll these all shorts and reels.
Time is very most important, so don't try to waste your time, because time will decide what you achieve and
What will you not achieve?
Not
All right, the next person. Next, who is going to speak? Next, yes, Roshan. Roshan, I'm just coming to you. Yes, speak that.
If we give time to education,
Mhm.
then education will change our life.
Yes, very nice. Next person. Next, who is going to speak? Next, yes, speak that.
Never stop working after success, and never stop trying after failure.
Yes, that's a very nice line. The next person who is going to speak. Yes, Sujit, I'm just coming. Wait.
We are living in that era where if we can imagine something, we can do it because everything is possible in this world.
Yes, that's very nice. And yes, in this era, everything is possible. All you have to do, work hard. All you have to understand
Self-belief.
your inner power, your inner capacity. All you have to work upon your thoughts, your emotion. Next, Surjit. Yes, I'm just coming to you.
If you will practice day by day, so you will able to speak.
You will be able to speak. Next.
That what sir once again. But you don't learn so many things.
Yes.
So you will never able to speak English.
You will never be able to
Speak English.
Next person. Once again, Sweta, you are going to speak. Whatever is coming in your mind, just speak that.
After this class, I will go my home.
Yes, that's very nice. And after this class, you will go at your home and you will take lunch. Exactly.
Yes, sir.
Because right now,
I am
the hunger
exhausted.
is in front of you. Exactly. All right. The next. Yes, Khushi.
I love the way we are practicing here.
Yes, you love the way we are practicing
Yeah.
here. Next.
Sir, may I speak?
Yes, speak that.
When we recognize in our inner energy
Mhm.
or potential,
Yes.
we can do everything.
Yes. And we can achieve
Achieve
everything. Yes. Next. Yes, Sweta. Speak that.
I am addicted to taking tea.
You are addicted to taking tea, and you are addicted to working hard from morning till evening. Next person. Next.
I want to say something about my village. My village is very beautiful because they have 3 temples,
Yes.
Pokhara, garden,
Yes.
and Gandhi Park.
Yes.
They are makes beautiful my village.
All right. Next. Who's going to speak? If you have sentence in your mind, just speak that.
I'm addicted to read novels like October Junction,
Yes.
Gunaho Ke Devta.
Yes.
And these stories give me another level of attentions and fun of them. I'm
Yes. And-
enjoying that when I'm reading these books. I'm enjoying that particular time.
Yes, that's a really good thing. Next. Who's going to speak? Adil, you want to speak? Apsa? No? Why? Next. Yes. No, I will give you a chance, Pinky. Sujit, you want to speak? Okay, let me come. Yes, speak that.
Sir, I think these activities already has completed some students.
Yes.
Like,
in the previous classes.
previous
exactly.
classes.
Yeah. Next.
Complete.
Next.
I think hell are empty now because every devils are on the earth.
Hell is empty right now because all the devils are available on the earth. And what about heaven? What about heaven?
Full of angels.
Full of angels. And what about crocodiles and all that? All right. Speak that.
Hello, I am Nazia Khatun,
Yes.
and all of them they know me, and I am always speaking English in class, and I am very confident whenever talk to you and whenever anyone talk to me in English, and I want to improve myself in this field,
Yes.
and I'm practicing day by day to improve myself.
All right, that's very nice, and it is very good thing that you always work hard. You always come in the morning time. You always.
My dream
You,
it is my dream to I am speak English very fluently.
and whenever you come in the class, I always see that you are curious to learn something, and you always learn different words and different sentence and different expressions, and that's very nice. While speaking learning, you have to watch these all things properly and carefully.
Yes.
Next person who is going to speak that. I don't have any. Just what is the topic name? Think and speak. What is that? Think and speak. Whatever is coming in your mind, just think and just speak that particular thing. Yeah.
Sir, I am thinking that some boys and some girls are speaking and not speaking.
Yes.
But why, sir? Some boys and some girls are not speaking.
Actually, they want to speak, but there is some nervousness in their heart. Next. Yes, Sweta. See that.
These days most of the people are addicted to scrolling social media,
Yes.
and they don't know what's behind the reality, and they accept them as reality irrespective of knowing what's behind the
Yes,
scene.
that's very nice and good thought about social media, because these days so many people are just scrolling reels, shorts, and they are just wasting their time. They do not have time to talk with the people. They do not have time to talk with their guardians, with their parents, but they have time to scroll these all shorts and reels. That's very nice comment, or you can say that's very nice thought. Next, yes, Pooja.
Sir, when you come front of me, then I think what to speak, what to not speak.
But don't worry, I'm not a ghost. Next, yes.
But so some people are making video on YouTube, but sir, and earn money videos. Uh,
Like in terms of what?
in
terms of?
what vibes and shorts videos. sir,
Yes.
and he's earning
More
money.
and more money, right? Next, yes, Pinky, speak that. जब कोई नहीं बोलेगा तो भाई चांस तो कोई ना कोई ग्रैब करेगा ही करेगा.
Whenever I think positive, then definitely I do positive,
Yes.
and then I this result is
When I do okay, it's okay to not be okay. Once again, next. Yes.
I want to do business. That's for I need a government job because I want to improve myself on my own.
Yes, that's very nice. First, work hard, go and read all the books. Wherever you want to go, wherever you want to work hard, just go. Just read all the books, and just make sure which field is important for you. Just go there and work hard, and definitely you will be able to do business in your coming days and in the future time. Next. Yes, Sweta, once again, I'm coming back to you.
Sir, I think it's sir, I forget that.
Okay, don't worry. It is the process. Next, yes, Khushi. Yes, I'm just coming back to you.
We are speaking here amongst people.
Yes, and actually, if I compare you with back of the days, you are working hard. And these days you are trying to make different sentence. You are trying to make different sentences in different tenses, in different models, and that's very nice. If you work hard, definitely you will be able to speak sooner or later. Next. Speak like that.
I love reading about big personalities and knowing about them, because I also want to become like them, and I want to become an inspiration for everybody.
Yes.
That no matter what our circumstances are, we can be anything that we want in our life.
Yes, definitely you will become sooner or later, and the time will come. The time is waiting for you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, definitely. And my all congratulations for the future time for you. And you are going to be the next speaker in Speak Angrezi.
Thank
And
you,
my
sir.
all wishes to you. Next person. Next. Yes, speak that. Speak.
without failure we will not achieve your goal.
Yes, we will not be able to achieve the goals. Next person. Yes, Pooja.
Sir, right now I am thinking your mind is very different because you always do very different.
Yes, yeah, I always try to. I always try to make something different activity. I always try to make something different activity for all the boys and for the girls, so that they can speak English fluently and confidently. Next. Next, the mic is in front of you. Yes. The
I
mic.
think it is last chance to prove yourself. So work hard.
Yes, it is the last chance to prove yourself. Work hard. Yes.
I am addicted to coffee, but my brother is not addicted to coffee.
Yes. You are addicted to coffee, but your brother is not addicted to coffee, and Govind is addicted to rasana.
Yeah.
You know. All right. Next. Yes, Nikhil.
I'm only thinking, not speaking.
You are only thinking, not actually. You are trying to do the best part. Don't try to do the best part. Whatever is coming in your mind, exactly, just speak that. Because the topic name is think and speak. Activity name is think and speak. Next.
I would like to tell about my class.
Yes.
My class is very well, and my all classmate is very well. And when my class end, then I like the talk to with my friends. And my favorite classmate is both Sweta.
Yes, both Sweta, they are doing great job. The first Sweta is there and the second Sweta is there, and they are working hard. Whenever they come in the class, they always try to speak something new words. Next,
Daily come coaching.
you come coaching daily. The next,
Your favorite teacher in my life.
I am your favorite teacher. Thank you for this compliment. Next,
Sir, I not want to read anytime, but I want to get success.
you want to get success, but always remember, success comes by working hard. Success comes by just you have to sacrifice so many things.
Yes.
Nothing is impossible. So don't be afraid of working hard.
Yes, very nice.
I like that you teach, but I have something to do with you.
Yes, all right.
I like the way English is speaking.
I like the way English is speaking. Maybe this sentence is incorrect. Once again, I like the way you speak, or I like the way you talk, or I like the way you communicate.
We have everything to do with this class, but my friend has nothing to do with this class.
All right.
Never trust everyone.
Never trust anyone. Everyone else सब आ जाएंगे अभी अब. All right, next.
I like the way you smile.
I like the way you smile. Next.
I am go home.
I am go home. I am go home होता है क्या ऐसा कुछ? या हो जाएगा I go home, या हो जाएगा I am going home. Next.
I have nothing to do with your personal life.
I have nothing to do with your person. Listen, man. I have also nothing to do with your personal life. Next.
Sir, I think it is easy to speak English, but it is very difficult to make someone speak English.
Yes, very nice. You are giving me indirectly compliment. Yeah.
So 2 days ago, my friend was dancing in the procession.
Yes.
And when I saw him, then he started laughing.
Once again, speak the sentence. Once again.
Why are you laughing?
Once again, speak the sentence. Once again.
So 2 days ago, my friend was dancing in the procession. And when I saw him, then he started laughing.
Yeah. Then he started laughing at you. Yes.
Always I follow a statement. My life and my rules.
Yes. My life, my rules.
Needless to fear here.
Needless to fear here, because this class is absolutely different. All the people are speaking and all the people are supporting.
I am familiar with your.
I'm familiar with you. All right, go with.
My dream place is Kedarnath, and I will go there after some month.
Yes, very nice.
I am fond. I fond of exploring new things.
I am fond.
I am fond of exploring
New things. All right, Kumar.
I familiar with you.
I am familiar. I'm also familiar with you, man. Next.
I want to eat something.
You want to eat something? You are speaking statement, or you are just expressing your desire, or you want?
Both.
Both. Okay, all right.
I can do anything.
You can do anything. Just come. Just come at the center.
Money can't impress me because of I'm the first daughter of my father.
Yes. All right.
Actually, sir, some time ago, I went to inside. So I feel water in the bottle, and I saw my school principal. He come and he asked, "What are you doing?"
Yes.
So I reply that I learned computer, and I'm learning speaking English.
Yes.
I am so lucky because you are with me.
All right. All right. I'm always with you, man.
I am Afreen Parveen, and I like this. I like this class.
I like this class. All right.
Sir, yesterday when I was taking clothes,
Yes.
and I was bargaining there. So shopkeeper that shopkeeper did not give me clothes.
Yes.
Then I will fought with
You,
her.
you fought with him. All right. Next.
So you know my dream. I want to become teacher like you. That's why I copy. That's why I am copying you and observe properly you.
All right. All right.
I'm like you become teacher and my
I want to become a teacher,
Teacher.
and a different person in my
Different person
life.
in
All
my
right.
our parents always sacrifices for us.
All parents always sacrifice
Sacrifices
for us.
for us.
All right, everybody.